Hello, in this video we're gonna replace the display of this Lenovo laptop. The model is IdeaPad 3. The laptop have a broken screen, got cracks on it, so we have to open it and replace it. The specific thing about this model is in order to remove the LCD bezel, the plastic, you have to slide this piece here. So we have to open the laptop, we have to disconnect the display, remove it, and after that we're going to proceed, because this display also doesn't have screw holes for mounting. It's stuck here with the double-sided tape, so it will be a little longer video. Let's start. We're going to remove the screws on the back, and we're going to take out the display so we can work easier. All the screws on the back should be the same size. No, those one here are shorter, keep that in mind. Sorry about that. Now we have to separate Now the first thing, of course, we have to disconnect the battery, because we don't want to play with the display while the battery is connected. That's the easiest way. Now we have to disconnect the LCD screen and I think the Wi-Fi cables. Like this. Now we'll open it a little bit. Now, since we got access to the display, we have to slide this, I think, on this side. Yeah, like this. And now we have to separate the display. we're gonna start from one side. Now the display have two pieces of double-sided tape on this side. It's basically like the iPhone batteries. Now every time I try to remove them, I have very bad experience, so we'll see how it goes now. We're gonna use the screwdriver so we can try and remove it evenly. So far so good. Like this. Now let's try just to pull to see. Pretty much that's the display. We're gonna disconnect it like this. The model of the display, I'm gonna put it in the description, is I don't know, let me try to put the autofocus. The model of the display is N140BGA-A4 revision C3. Now since I'm still waiting for the display to arrive, I'm gonna stop the video for now and we're gonna continue when the display is here. So stay tuned. Now we have the new display. So before we put it, let me find a place. We'll try to put some tape here like it was on the original display. It won't be the same, but still it will hold the display. Like that. I have to peel this. This is the new display. We're gonna connect it. And we're gonna put it like this. Now before we install this plastic here, there is also some double-sided tape on this side. This one is okay, but this one is not very good condition, so I'm gonna put a new one here. So it will stay and it will stick better. We're gonna remove the protective layer of the screen. And now we're gonna put back this plastic first, which should be relatively easy. Let's double check everything. Looks fine. And now we have to put back this plastic thingy like this. Perfect. And now we have to connect the display and test it to see is everything okay with the display. Now first we wanna put back the hinges, of course. Just let me see where the screws are. Okay. We're gonna connect back the display. First we have to put the cable in the slot. Now we have to put the Wi-Fi cables back. You can rewind this part because the video is a little bit longer than the usual ones. Just be careful with the connectors, they are very small and fragile. Like this. Now we have to plug back the battery because I don't have a charger. So we have to improvise a little bit. Now let's test to see is it working or not. Yeah, we have a picture. The system is upgrading BIOS. Which is not a good idea because I don't have a charger for it. Let's see. Yeah, we have the Windows logo. Let's see, do we have a brightness control? Yeah. Now the only thing I gotta do is just put back the back cover and that's it. I'll stop the video for now. Basically the only thing I gotta do is just put the screws. That's the whole thing. The video went a little bit longer than I expected, but we had to do the thing the proper way. Hope you like the video. Bye bye for now.